Good morning, students. Do you all love your mother? Yes, we all love our mother. Okay. Do you like your mother? Yes, you like your mother. No? So we all, everybody, in every human beings or animals or birds or creatures, anything loves their mother. Loves their mother, and we will do all the funs with our mother. Yes or no? We will fight with our mother. We love her, and she will cook good food and give us. We will fight with her. Something she will not buy and give. Everything we do with her. But even though she loves, we do many nonsense things with our mother. Many things we will do. But she will not punish us. Maybe she will beat, she will get angry. But again she loves us. That is the mother's love. So here we see the Dear Mom, the poem. Dear Mom is the poem. We are going to read about the Dear Mom, the poem. See, before going into the poem, just you see page number 25. Page number 25, you see. Answer this question. What are the nice things that you do when your mother is out? When your mother is out means when your mother is not in the house, what the good things he will do in the house. Write that please. Then second one, what does she say when she gets to know what you have done? So when she comes back to home, you have done good things, no? By seeing this, what your mother says. She will be happy or she says very good. My son is very good, my daughter is very good, do it again, keep it up. So our mother will tell us many things. So write your own things here. The next one, third one is, what are the naughty things that you do when your mother is out? So for example, when your mother is not in the house, what are the naughty things you will do? Naughty things means you may watch TV. She will tell don't watch the TV, but you will watch the TV. Then she will tell don't go to play outside with others, but you will go to play. So that are the naughty things we will do. What mother says to us, don't do, that we will do. That are the naughty things. Then you write what you will do. Then what does she says when she gets to know what you have done? Then what she will say when she comes to know about the naughty things what you have done, what she will say. Whether she is happy, whether she is sad, or whether she will get angry, what she will say. Then write your own things here. Write your own answers. When mother is out, when you do the good things, what she will do. When mother is out, when you do the good things, naughty things, not bad things, naughty things, what she will do. So write your answers here. Okay, now we are going to learn about a Dear Mom poem. This poem is written by a boy. Boy means a narrator or a writer. Okay, a boy writing a letter to his mother. What he has done in the house. The naughty things what he has done in the house. Writing and sharing all the things what he has done in the house when mother is out. That is the poem we are reading today. Dear Mom. So before we go into the poem, first we learn the chapter 3, Dear Mom. Dear Mom, written by the Brain Pattern. Who has written this poem? Brain Pattern, the poet. Brain Pattern. In 1946 he was born. So till he is alive maybe. So they did not give his death or anything. Maybe still he is alive. So this poem is written by the Brain Pattern in 1946. He is a poet and author. Okay, this is the poem we are going to learn today. So before going into the poem, first we learn the new words. Just canary. Canary is a songbird with yellowish green feathers. A songbird with yellowish green feathers. Means canary is a bird which sings the song. Next one, grubby means dirty or unclean. Grubby means very angry, and fly into a rage. And to lie low, to lie low means to go into hiding. To go into hiding. Here there is one more, or keep out of sight. To keep out of sight. Hiding means we something we do, we will go and hide, maybe near the coat or near the shelf, anywhere we will go hide, that is hiding. So these are the four meanings: canary, grubby, armpit, and to lie low. These are the four meanings are there in this chapter. So now we read about the poem, understand about the poem. So first I read the poem, then I will explain it. Dear Mum, while you were out, a cup went and broke itself on purpose. A crack appeared into that old blue was your great granddad got from Mr. Ming. Somehow, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. A strange jam stain but the size of my hand suddenly appeared on the kitchen wall. I did not think well ever discovered exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine, especially from the inside, or how Seal's pet rabbit went and mistook the waste disposal unit for a burrow. I can tell you, I was really scared when, as if by magic, a series of muddy footprints appeared on your new white carpet. Alas, I know the canary looks grubby, but it took ages and ages getting it out of the vacuum cleaner. I was being good, honest, but I think the house is haunted so. Knowing you are going to have a pet, I have gone over to Grant's to lie low for a bit. So this written by Brain Patter. See here, this boy is telling to his mother what the happening in the house when mother is out. When mother is not in the house, when she was out, what happened in the house, this boy is explaining to his mother. What happened, dear mum? While you were out, a cup went and broken itself on a purpose. Then he is telling, when you were out, a cup broken by itself. By itself means the cup itself fell down unbroken. Nobody has done that. Then a crack appeared. A crack appeared means some broken things broken there. So crack appeared. In that old book was your great granddad got from Mr. Ming. So your granddad got a vase. So in that a crack appeared. A crack means something broken, no? Something broken, again we can keep it. Crack, a line of broken. So appeared what your Mr. Ming has given you. So somehow without me even turning the tap. So I was not in the kitchen or house, but the tap itself opened. The tap, water tap, no? Itself opened. The water is flowing mysteriously from the sink. The water is flowing from the sink. So a strange jam stain, but about the size of my hand. Jam also fell down like in my hand. Like my hand, this had puts hand kitchen wall. This suddenly appeared on the kitchen wall. This size hand, my size hand, appeared on the kitchen wall with the jam. I did not think well ever discover exactly how the cat. So he is telling, I cannot discover. So I cannot see like this that cat will do like this mysterious things. I cannot imagine how the cat did. He is telling to his mother. So the managed to turn on the washing machine also. Then he is telling the washing machine also they managed to open. Who kept? Cat is open the washing machine also. He is explaining to his mom how his pet rabbit went and mistook the waste disposal unit for a borough. Then he is explaining again a rabbit. Here he is using two things. One is cat, the second one is rabbit. These two things came and make the dirty of our house, our kitchen. The cup is broken, the tap is overflowing, and the washing machine itself opened. Then our house white carpet also become dirty with the foot of their legs. So our wall also make dirty with the germs. So he is explaining everything what he has done. Also I know the canary looks grubby. Canary looks grubby means the birds also looking unclean. With yellowish, with unclean. Everything is unclean. Vase is broken, everything is unclean. Getting it out of the vacuum cleaner. I was being good, but I was good in the house when he went. I did not do these all things. He is explaining to his mother. But I think the house is haunted, so knowing you are going to have a pit. Then he is telling you are going out now. So knowing that somebody came and make the house dirty. I have gone over to Grant's to lie for a bit. So he is telling when these things are happening, I went to the grandfather's house. I went to the grandfather's house. He is telling all these things. So this is the summary of the poem. This boy is the narrator is explaining what happened when mother is out. What happened when mother is out. That is the summary of this poem. I think you understand this poem. Okay, this is the summary of the poem written by the Braid Pattern. So here you can see the exercises also. See, read and write and answer these questions and appreciation questions. Only 3 exercises are there. Read and write, answer these questions and the appreciation questions. Only 3 exercises are there in this chapter.